This week we're going to get the RT4 drive wagon ready for sale. I've had the car up for sale for quite a while now, but just no one's really interested out here. Like, if this was back out east in New York, the thing would have been gone in like a week. If that. I actually sold another RT4 drive wagon out here a while ago, but it was a piece of crap, so it sold real quick because I had the price low and the guy just wanted it probably for the parts, I'm assuming, the all-wheel drive stuff. But anyways, I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to swap the wheels and just, yeah, get it ready to sell for a cheaper price, because right now I have it for like $6,000, and if I'm going to sell it any less, I'm going to keep my RT wheels, because I do plan on getting another one down the road someday. I really don't want to sell this car, but unfortunately, financially, I have to sell this and hopefully get back to selling and flipping cars again the way I was before my truck blew up, and still don't have my truck, so my other truck, so it's stressful. But let's get this thing in. I love this car, and it'll be nice to see it on the channel again one more time at least. So I'm guessing this thing's gonna be dead, because last time I started it, I had to jump it, but we'll see. Oh yeah, it's dead. Let me get the jump pack out. Fire's right up. I was looking at this when I put the jump pack on, but that might be the cause of why this battery isn't charging when I take it out and drive it. So I'll pop those off and clean them too while we're cleaning up the rest of the car. But I basically daily drove this thing in the winter, and I just haven't cleaned it out since. So it's just a little cluttered. I want to vacuum out the dog hair, because my dog was going everywhere with me, as usual. But still pretty clean, not too much mess, or too much of a mess. I got some random stuff in here. Oh, I'm surprised this even works still. Fancy. Throw these back on. Had the seats down a few times for hauling tires and stuff. So this is really random and off topic, but my dad bought me this like years ago, just randomly. He'd buy me like lights, like he bought me those lights for my shop and stuff like a while ago, and this is just one of the random gifts he gave me, I think for Christmas or something. I never have charged this thing in my life. I didn't even know it was rechargeable. I just threw it in my car in case I needed it, and it still works. So I don't even know where it's from, maybe Walmart or something. But yeah, if you want a spotlight or something, this thing holds its charge forever. So I have like some random camping and emergency supplies in this car, because like I go out to the mountains, and this is just one of the things I tossed in here. So yeah, random, but there you go. Buy this. Take out my full-size spare and all my other random stuff, because this isn't gonna match the wheels I'm throwing on it. I got some wheels under that cover I'm gonna put on here. My just in case stuff. Even got matches back here. Never know when you get stuck in the mountains in Montana what you'll need. I don't know what that's from. I even have the cover. This car has everything. That's the thing that upsets me the most about selling it. It's hard to find these things like totally intact. I mean, I got the factory jack and all that. This is a AC car, which is also rare. Everything's still in the hood for that. Just has to be recharged. It actually worked when I bought the car like 5 years ago. It just slowly stopped working. Another thing even has a little spare tire hold down thing, which like none of them have that. Got my full size spare on a RT wheel. Seriously, still got the brand new sticker on it. Look how clean the seams are in this car. Usually you get rust down in here, but it's all clean. I even have one of those things still that go on top of the factory tire. Just this was too fat for that, because obviously this is a full-size spare. And the metal hinged cover. Oh, that's for the little pull thing here. Oh, that sucks, it broke, but whatever. At least we got the cover itself. Alright, I'm gonna vacuum this out quick. I won't bore you with that. I'll just get done and then we'll swap the wheels. Alright, looks a little bit better. I wiped stuff down just a little bit as well because it was dirty from getting in and out over the winter and in the mud. Under here we got some how to fit wheels with brand new tires on them. So I'm gonna throw them on, that way we can keep these wheels and lower the price of the car. Good old pizza cutters. I think these are about similar height though, because they're bigger than like what are on my Integra height wise. Mint. They're just a tiny bit shorter. They're still bigger or taller than factory ones, but these are oversized as well, obviously. Well, let's check this corrosion out. Hopefully that's all it is for this battery. It's actually not too bad. Alright, I cleaned that up a little bit. Maybe it'll help, maybe not. Might need a new battery, not a big deal. I'm gonna scrape all these old stickers off. I even had my old, Instagram thing on there for so long. It'll make it look less, I don't even know. Make it look more clean, I guess. So, should I leave that one on? I don't know. Looks so much different now. I haven't had stickers off of it since I bought it. I literally just put those on, but man, that's kind of depressing. Anyways, I'm gonna bring it outside and watch it quick, and then we'll go take some pictures and make a new ad for it. Let's see if it'll actually start. Highly doubt it, because I literally just started it and then drove it in here, but we'll see. Yeah, no, it is so dead. Here, gotta jump it quick. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit while I start washing it. I just turned it off and turned it back on quick, and the battery was holding a charge, at least for now. It was running the whole time I washed it. Still running. Alright, sorry I didn't film too much, but I was just trying to rush and hit all the black trim real quick with some tire shine, make it look a little nicer pop. I hate when the black trim gets all dried out from the sun. It must have just been that connection, maybe. I don't know. Alright, let's take some pictures. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Possibly the last video the RT4WD drive will ever be in, which is unfortunate, but if you are looking to buy this car, I'm going to list it for $4,500. I'm going to be pretty firm on the price because the drive shaft and diff go for $3,500. So otherwise I'll probably end up parting out the car. So I don't know, make me an offer. Yeah, pretty depressing, but we'll make it through. Just hit me up on my Instagram, Conjo_brothers, if you're interested. Also, if you want to see more content or other videos, go back and scroll through and see the thumbnails of this vehicle. Took it out in the mountains quite a bit this last winter and did some fun stuff with it. But if you did like the video, I appreciate a like. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the builds and the projects. And like I said, follow my Instagram if you want to see more content in there. Also, stay tuned. I got some more kind of big news coming up here soon. I don't know when I'm going to announce it or when it's going to be finalized, I guess. But Yeah, just making some moves. Like I said, all of this waiting for my truck to be done for 15 months has absolutely wrecked me financially, so I got to get rid of some of the toys, unfortunately. And yeah, we'll go from there. We'll rebuild eventually. So I'm not gonna make this be like a depressing video. Honestly, kind of excited. So we'll see what I can do with the money. Hopefully get more content, get more cars flown again. And I don't know if I'll ever see that truck that I've got like way too much money invested into, but if we do, that'll obviously be more content if I get that thing. Otherwise, I'm just gonna pick it up and probably part it out because I don't know what's going on with it. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one.